Namaskar dosto. Today is 14th March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This is a weekly wrap up video on HDFC Bank and Heromotocorp. So HDFC Bank, when we look into weekly basis, we see that we have a green bar, but clearly we see that from past almost 5 week, HDFC Bank is consolidating between the zone of 1640 to 1500, and now that zone has become little tighter, and we can say that HDFC Bank is definitely consolidating between 15,000 to 16,000, which is this level. So 16,000 is also a monthly resistance as well as a blue magical line. So if you want to know about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup on my YouTube channel. And bottom side, we see that now HDFC Bank has a support at 1511, which is another blue magical line, and then 1504, which is weekly L3. And on weekly basis, it has closed also above 820, 50, and 200 bar moving average. So here on weekly basis, HDFC Bank is definitely an uptrend. Now, on daily basis, when we look, we see a big impact of US bond yield, 10-year yield, which is consistently going up. So this is having an impact on the banking sector and definitely on HDFC Bank. So this, unless and until the US government bond yield starts to come down, uh, it's going to be a very difficult time for banking sector. So keeping that in mind, when we look into daily chart, we see that HDFC Bank on Friday has a very strong correction from 1600, and it is closed below 20, below 8, but still above 50 and 200 day moving average. So on daily basis, HDFC Bank is definitely in downward trend. Now when we look on say 15-minute chart, then it is closed below 50, below 20, above 8 and below 200. So here also it is in downtrend. So I'm holding one lot of HDFC Bank somewhere closer to 1556, and also have some 150 position of HDFC Bank in cash. So my strategy is definitely to hold the HDFC Bank unless until it with a stop loss of 1500. So 1500 will be my stop loss for all my positions. I'll not get out of my cash position. I'll just keep it, and future positions definitely I may come out. And if I'm able to manage my money, then buy on dip at 1500 level, that is 1525, and 1510, if we get a chance, could be a fantastic opportunity to enter HDFC Bank with a stop loss of 1500. So that's something which I would like to try. So buy on dip, considering that it is consolidating near 1500 level, that is the trade plan for a target of 1600. And if HDFC Bank now touches in this week 1600 and not able to cross it back, then I will book my profit here for both cash as well as future position. So that's the plan for HDFC Bank. Now let's look into Heromotocorp. So how the Heromotocorp is looking. So Heromotocorp on weekly basis has closed below 8, above 20, above 200 and above 50. So definitely an uptrend. Here we also see that now it has a very strong support exactly where it is now, or closer to where it is now, which is 3308 and 3350. So let's hope that on Monday we have an upside rally. And 3384 is a very strong resistance because this is also weekly pivot as well as a weekly H3, and then 3401. And if these two are broken, then definitely 3460 is on the card. And for the next uprise, it has to cross 3460. But considering the market is in consolidation stage, 3460 or 3490 could be a good target for this week. And at bottom we have now next support at 3308, which is a weekly magical line, as well as 3300. So say 3300 is the next support, which is also weekly support, L3. And then you have 3252 and 3200, which is closer to 20 bar moving average. So any dip towards 3200 could be a good buying opportunity in Heromotocorp for a target of 3460. So I'm gonna have now stop loss for Heromotocorp at 3300. So at 3300, I would exit my futures lot, and for a cash position, I will just keep on adding it at the bottom. So that's my plan for HDFC Bank in Heromotocorp. Uh, do let me know what you think about it. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.